Don't blink, or you'll miss the action-packed moments. Remember, safety is the key. Holy moly, those cranes are colossal. This recovery operation was insanely lucky. Not a single one of those giants toppled over. I've seen a lot of chaos on the road. When the brakes fail, most people give up. But this driver turned the situation into a display of incredible composure. That skill is truly amazing. Thank God. The driver wasn't hurt. The sharp turn of this truck serves as a real-world lesson for drivers, illustrating the conditions and mechanics of a semi-trailer truck tipping over. Check out the TDT-55 struggling in the mud. Its tracks are spinning like crazy. Can you see it? The more it fights, the messier it gets. What would you do to help it out? Breaking news from the Netherlands. A Royal Netherlands Army truck carrying a 62-ton Leopard tank crashed into a sound barrier on the A12 near Ruwijk. This dramatic accident, caused by a blown tire, led to a massive cleanup with 2 heavy-duty cranes. The driver had minor injuries, but the damage is extensive, underscoring the risks of transporting oversized military equipment. Ever seen a truck take a nap? This Kamaz did. Luckily, the excavator was there for a wake-up call, lifting it back on its feet.
Yes.
Держи его так, сейчас он гидравлику спустит.
Wow, that's hands down the best rescue I've ever seen. 100% teamwork, 100% execution.
Hey, hey!
Small in size, but the power. Unbelievable. This car is no joke.
Мне не духа.
He's like a tech whisperer, bending the machine to his will, a neon-lit dance of innovation and control. Forget your average commute. These drivers tackle roads that would make a mountain goat nervous, all while hauling massive wind turbine blades. Prepare for an adrenaline-pumping ride as a colossal truck tackles an incredible, nearly vertical incline. Watch in awe as the truck comes dangerously close to tipping over at crucial moments, showcasing the driver's bravery and skill as they navigate this perilous, challenging terrain. Wow, the Volvo 440 truck has conquered its challenge by successfully scaling the sheer, vertical slope. Just when it seemed like the truck might fail at a crucial turn, the driver's skill shone through, proving their remarkable prowess and determination. Observe the improper operation of this hydraulic system, resulting in an unsafe vehicle inclination. The Caterpillar 374D, operated by Roger Martin, is hard at work upgrading the RN88 to a 2x2 lane between Nocelle and La Mothe in Auvergne, in France. In a dramatic display of power and precision, the EIK Volvo EC210 Swamp Excavator is hard at work unloading from a trailer. Despite the challenging and perilous descent, our skilled operator maneuvers with exceptional expertise, ensuring the job gets done safely.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Free roller coaster ride. This is a clear reminder of the unpredictability and danger of driving. A small mistake, and the car goes off the cliff. Fortunately, the driver was able to jump out of the car just in time. A TT4 tractor got stuck in the forest while hauling wood. Its track slipped. Now, a rescue team is on site, ready to get the machine back on track. Simple. Fix the problem, move the machine. It's time to get to work.
Calibre 50 conducido.
Do you think this is an impressive performance? Leave your thoughts below. The Kirabets. K739ST boasts a powerful 395.2 kilowatt engine, delivering unparalleled performance and reliability. An investment that guarantees results. The engine sound is like it's crying for help, the helplessness of the machinery. What a costly mistake. That bridge height sign was crucial. A little more attention could have avoided this accident. Let this be a reminder to double-check load dimensions before driving. This might be the pinnacle performance of this driver's career, showcasing an extraordinary display of skill and mastery. Let's tune in to the adrenaline-pumping sounds. These are the engines of stuck vehicles, roaring and straining, creating an excitement that's contagious. Dynamic ropes are an absolute must and require decisiveness. Snap! It was a success. The Soyuz 1M tracked vehicle faced issues while traversing to the shore, primarily with the rollers. The distance between roller pairs, track tension, and distribution appear to be misaligned, leading to excessive slippage for a vehicle of this type. Not successful. From a professional standpoint, this was a textbook case of how bad weather can push agricultural equipment to its absolute edge. Gripping, dangerous, and fascinating all at once. One of those moments when you realize just how fast things can change. Going over 70 kilometers per hour and suddenly, this white Mitsubishi Attridge is right in your lane. The driver didn't even have time to think. They just reacted. Miraculously, both cars avoided a crash. Transporting dozens of tons of timber down a mountainside is incredibly challenging and dangerous, but it's just another day on the job for this driver. Catastrophe. A colossal sand barge slams into the harbor. Wham! The pier and crane vanish beneath the waves in the blink of an eye. I didn't expect him to operate the excavator so skillfully. It's like he's dancing with the excavator. The skills are truly insane. This is just the beginning. I can't wait to see what DT-75 does next. Its wheels spinning helplessly in the mud. This team has amazing teamwork. It's like a well-oiled machine. It feels like witnessing a life-or-death situation. The tire flew out with incredible force. Let's watch the process of unloading a heavy bulldozer from a truck. The machine inches backward gradually, without the aid of a ramp, and smoothly touches down. When you need reliable performance in challenging environments, like crossing rivers, the TT4 is your go-to. Its rugged build and water-resistant features ensure that even in unpredictable conditions, can you feel the power? The Ural, restrained but eager, is one jump away from reclaiming its place. The road grip of the Mercedes. The engine roars continuously as the tractor gets stuck in the dirt on the ice. There's no way out. Like an excavator driver drunk on alcohol, swaying on wheels that are about to fall off. Wow, the power of nature. That rock just took down a whole crane. The Kirovets K700 TAU's 2 TATRA 813s. The brutal roar of the engines assaults everyone's eardrums, but the rescue operation ends successfully. The AS950 truck got stuck in the rock on the muddy forest road, with its wheels spinning helplessly in the muck. Unbelievable. They need to be penalized for this. This is a major threat to safety.
Bratán мой, пошел вброд.
Oh, a truck packed with logs and a tractor crossing the river. It's like a balancing act on water. Challenges come and go, but Kamaz, it just keeps on conquering like a true legend of the road. Mechanics of a semi-trailer truck tipping over. Oh my, that massive rock really put the hydraulic system, bucket joints, and axles of the Cat 988B to the test. But with undeniable power, the rock is bound to lose. I can't believe how precise they are with that huge ball. Looks chaotic, but so controlled. At approximately 1 a.m., a container truck traveling at high speed on a deserted road overturned while navigating a sharp curve. The rear cargo tipped, causing the vehicle to collapse sideways. Fortunately, there were no other vehicles in proximity, and the driver sustained no injuries. The road grip of the Mercedes truck is perfect. The powerful traction combined with strong resonance helped prevent the tanker from sliding down the slope. I am witnessing a walking house. But a crane stands tall and then, boom. The house bumps into the crane's belly and it collapses to the ground. The driver, oblivious to the fierce winds, failed to secure the cargo. The truck, a victim of neglect, succumbed to the gusts, toppling over. Powerful, the Kirovets. K700 showcases its incredible strength by successfully rescuing the struggling Kamaz 55102. When attempting to lift an 8,000-pound Huster forklift with a 5,000-pound capacity Caterpillar forklift, you're dealing with a significant overcapacity issue. Even if the machine attempts the lift, it's bound to fail due to the limitations of its hydraulic system and structural design. No way. That little K5 shouldn't be able to pull that massive Mark truck. But it is. Talk about defying expectations.
Так, сейчас он гидравлику спустит.
BV206ELO, the ultimate all-terrain vehicle. No matter the terrain, this powerhouse effortlessly navigates through every obstacle without a hitch. Talk about an important player. This guy has the skills to pay the bills. Never underestimate the extraordinary power of that small tow truck. In treacherous and challenging terrain, it pushes forward with incredible strength. Applaud the driver and their efforts. Bravo! The Kraz 214 battled through a sandy 6x6 terrain, and after numerous efforts, the truck finally triumphed. The Kirovets. K701 Deep Plow seems capable of tackling any terrain with astonishing balance and stability. If your Fiat Turkey 7056 is slipping uphill, don't panic. This isn't a mechanical issue. The problem lies with the surface. The ground is loose and doesn't provide enough traction. To solve this, consider using tires designed for tougher terrain. Okay, here's the thing. If the TDT55 is stuck in quicksand, we need to carefully applying power without revving too hard. It's all about balancing the throttle, finding that sweet spot to move without making things worse. The International 1055 timber truck conquered a challenging route and faced danger as it descended a steep slope. Its slow and cautious maneuvering ensured that no accident occurred. That's amazing. Many people are surprised when they see the Komatsu PC600 with such a long crane boom for the first time. It's truly surprising that it doesn't lose balance. The screeching of the brakes, the smell of burning rubber. The tanker truck swerved and slid for dozens of meters. The three-wheeled vehicle narrowly escaped the danger.